Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Shruti Mishra, I'm Assistant Professor and the Coordinator in the Department of Management and Commerce, Faculty of Law and Governance in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur students. In the previous session, as we have discussed about the upgradation from the slow to average and average to advanced. Now, the question which definitely is arising in your mind that it's for everyone, that from slow we have talked about the slow learners, we have talked about the average learners, but we haven't talked about the advanced learners. So yes, there is a package for advanced learners as well. They need to keep in the mind that everyone is not perfect in the world, right? Nobody is perfect in this world, not even I. So there are few things you need to keep in your mind while doing the certain things. While you are studying, the continuous monitoring about the career is important. Like if I say that you are having the raw material, but you don't know how to make the things, you don't know how to make the finished product, so your raw materials are waste, right? So if you are having the abilities, but you don't know how to use them, that is the basic problem you are having, because you are wasting your abilities, right? So what we can do, when we know that we are advanced learners, we grab the things perfectly, we know how to communicate with the teachers, we know how to communicate with friends, we know how to deal with the things, we know how to analyze the problems, how to tackle the situations, everything you know about it. But after the completion of the course, what you will do, you haven't thought about it, what's the use of these things. So this is very much important, students, for all of us to understand that the career is a basic major objective of any of the study, or you can say in the today's world modern scenario, this particular type of pattern of studying is very much important, that when you deal with the career monitoring things as well, that in mentorship for the advanced learners, we always focus that what type of career you can choose, how you can choose, and what things you should get prepared of, why this particular career will be good for you, and if you are having certain kind of you are having certain things that, yeah, I want to go in this particular field, or I want to excel in this particular field, then you can choose that subject as well, or that career as well, sorry. So the first and the very important thing in the mentorship for the advanced learners is to continuous monitoring of their careers. So basically it's about the advanced learners. Second one is inculcating the thinking towards the idea generation and the research. So the basic idea is to think, because thinking is very much important. It's like that only when you can do the things when you think, right? So thinking is the primary step. Whatever you do in your life, thinking is the basic primary step you follow. So thinking is very much important, and thinking towards the idea generation is very much important. If you are having a certain kind of idea, any idea you are having, and you want to work on that, you can tell your mentor. Your mentor will definitely help you out, and will try to connect the links, and then you can get something bigger than what you have previously thought about it, right? Now next, it is like the average and the slow students, similarly like the average and slow students, advanced learners also need to in a regular communication with the parents and with their family, with their friends, because that is something very necessary for all of us. It's like an oxygen you are having, right? You are needing the oxygen. Similarly, you are needing your parent support, your family support, your friend support as well, right? So the next one is giving more opportunities related to the presentations regarding the latest advancement in the discipline. If you are having any kind of choice you are having, right, and you like generally in the classrooms also we always teach, but we talk about the different advancement in the society, what new in this particular field is arising, and what new technologies are going to inculcate, and what new things are coming up in this few months or few days or few years. So we talk about that. So the students who are advanced in learners are need to focus on the study, as well as they need to understand that their presentation skills are very much important, because for the today's scenario, presentation, you can say, is the key part of taking any job or taking any kind of the responsibility in the career or in the near future. The next one is ensuring the active participation of the students in the maximum activities. So it's for everyone, that everyone need to take part in the activities. But yeah, from the advanced students, it's a responsibility for the advanced students that they need to work hard, and they need to take the active participation in the different kind of activities we are having in the university, at the university level, at the departmental level, at the classroom level. So they need to take part in those things as well. I hope this is all for the day, and I hope that you like this video and this session, particularly this session. And if you have if you are having any kind of query related to this particular video, please do let me know. I'll definitely try to solve those problems, and will try to meet you in the next time. Thank you so much, students. Have a great day and stay safe.